Just as we love it in this part of the country, Nigeria, precisely River State, I introduce to you light bitter leaf soup. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, kindly do well to like, comment, and share, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to see our videos each time we upload. Just as always, you wash properly your protein of choice, add it to the pot. You would then add any seasoning of choice, salt, pepper. Just put basic things to steam the meat together. Cover it and bring it to a boil for 20 minutes. After cooking with its own juice for 20 minutes, right, you open it up and you stir together to combine. Here there's no water. We're going to add a little bit of water to cook the meat until it's 70% done. The source of our light had a problem here and we're fixing it. That's why the section is a bit dark. So as you can see, you are going to add your dry fish, add more pepper, and here you add your shrimps. After adding the shrimps at this point, you stir together to combine, and then you add water to cook the soup properly. I know that I'm not using the best of pots, okay? It weighs me down sometimes when I see people pass my videos without liking or sharing it. I don't know why, but within me, I know I'm creating a valued content here. And please, help me to grow in this space. All right. God bless you. Because when I grow, I'll be able to change my cookwares to a better one. So that's it. Thank you. At this point, the soup has boiled. We're going to thicken it up with ofo. You can thicken with achi if that's what you prefer. Cover and bring it to a boil for 10 minutes, okay? Don't worry about the lumps. When it boils, it will dissolve. Taste at this point and adjust to any lacking seasoning. There I adjusted with a bit of salt and seasoning. And then I'll cover it and bring it to a boil for another 15 minutes to enable it thicken up as I prefer. So after that, I'll be adding my periwinkle. Okay, this is a lot of periwinkle, and that's how we prefer periwinkle here in this part of the country. You're going to stir together to combine and cover to enable it simmer for 3 minutes, and it's time to add the vegetable. For this particular soup, I prefer bitter leaf. You can use uziza leaf or garden egg leaf. If you watched properly, you observe that I didn't add any dry crayfish into the soup. The reason is because I was going for something fresh, and that was why I used shrimps, and it gave me the taste I was going for. When you add shrimps or prawns into your soup, it will give you the fisherman soup vibe, okay? That's basically the reason. And at this point, I'll be adding the bitter leaf and I will stir together to combine. This is a light soup, and this soup at this point, the aroma was out of this world, believe me, and you will eat and enjoy the soup. I covered it and brought it to a boil for 3 minutes, okay, to enable the bitter leaf release its own taste into the soup, and it's ready. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next one, do have a pleasant day.